Other thing I did was order this wireless CarPlay adapter. So hopefully today I can do away with this cord. So I do have the HD SoundStream Reserve. Unfortunately, I have to keep it plugged in to the USB that's in the glove box to have the Apple CarPlay with the GPS and the music. So, and if I unplug it, it's no longer there. So I did two things. I went to Rick Rack, and I have now a wireless charger, so as long as the phone is in, I am good to go. It'll charge without being plugged in. The other thing I did was order this wireless CarPlay adapter. So hopefully today I can do away with this cord and just use the adapter. So let's see. Go to the settings. And we have success. Cool. So cool beans. That worked. Super excited about this. Seems simple, but convenience, travel. So what happened the other night was I was riding. I had my GPS on, had the phone hooked through the cord for the Apple CarPlay. It started raining. I got a message on the phone stating that it detected liquid, so it asked me to unplug. So from there, the GPS was on my phone, but not on the screen. It was dark. It was at night, and I had to unplug. So I was trying to look at my phone, still navigate the road in the rain, in the dark. So this is actually not just a mod or an upgrade, not a luxury. This is actually going to increase my safety, especially in those types of situations. So it's only cost me about maybe 25 bucks on Amazon. So I got a ride planned tomorrow. Now I'm going up to Raleigh, so looking forward to enjoying this and the wireless charger and the phone holder.
Thank y'all for rocking and riding with me. Y'all be blessed.